Nice.
No.
Yeah. See if we can get these here.
Hold on, what we're gonna do, remember when you're doing this won't burn the paint unless you sit there in one spot and hold it forever and it's on a body line. And it's super gritty compound. So it will burn the paint, but you gotta be like, meh, in one spot. So keep it moving, won't burn it, but you gotta push down on it and don't angle it. This has gotta stay flat. So when you're going like that, try and keep it as flat as you can. And then what we're gonna do now is look at it, but we're gonna hit it with 5,000 now to get rid of these. So if you look, this is what happened yesterday on this truck that I did. I had all these little, if you look, you can see them in the right light. These like brush scratches. They're like
Right.
super fine,
Right.
and they look like a bad paint job.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll take that 5,000 grit now and our sanding block and switch it up. We're going to sand again with 5,000 grit. This actually worked really well.
Isn't the Mystique also a 3-stage?
Mystique, I don't know what Mystique is.
It is a
but it's
3-stage.
grittier. It's not the same as
It
HD
does.
Speed.
It does break down into polish, I think, though.
No.
I think so.
All right, if you can't use the sanding, if that's gonna scratch it while you're doing it, don't. But yeah, let's do some of that action right there. Yeah, your block's not gonna work.
Yeah.
So use your hand, it's fine. Your hand will work. Just, yep, keep it like this. Don't go like this with your fingers. Keep it at a, yep, that's even better. Palm's good. And you guys are gonna have to kind of go hard on it because this stuff is like paper. Yep, you're doing good. Get aggressive, push hard. Lots of little. Beautiful. I like your spray technique, Logan. That's really nice.
I practiced a lot on that.
Yeah.
Finesse,
it's
finesse.
Really, really good. Really good. This stuff, if you burn through the paint with 5,000 grit, there's something wrong. And really, if you're on a retail and you're afraid, just do 5,000 and do it 10 times. The 3,000, you can burn it, but it's also pretty hard. But I don't like yesterday when I was using the 3,000 how it left these sand scratches in a brand new truck. So I had to do 5,000 afterwards. Phil, what are you doing? Fingers, no. This way. Nope, you're gonna leave lines, so you go this way. This way. See what I mean? No. Turn your hand, angle your hand. And go across. Or, just don't push in the direction of the, yes, that way. Figure it out.
Well, what were you trying to communicate there? What kind of pushing you're talking about?
Well, he's pushing lines into it. You don't want to go like this. Because you go this way, because then you know what I mean.
You say more of a long, smooth stroke, or?
Yeah, well, just, so you're not pushing grooves in with your fingers.
Okay.
If you go across, you have 3 fingers going this way, it's not pushing grooves into it. Or you can go like this. Or like Logan's doing with his palm.
It's hard to grab onto
I
those
know,
little
I got
guys.
the wrong, we're gonna get the bigger sheets for the next time we do this with 5,000.
So it's a good sign to see a little bit of
Haze.
milky looking
Yeah.
haze.
Yeah, you might check yours and see how yeah, but it needs a little more sanding. That's a fair. You're welcome.
see if we have any bigger paper over here for 5,000.
We don't. I had to order these little discs. We don't have 5,000. See that, Logan? Jimmy Buffett. Logie Buffett. Billy Buffett. Let's get to Buffett. Buffett.
So what if you do get grooves from sanding? Do you have to like sand those out too?
Yeah, I mean, really, we need blocks. That's probably the right thing. This isn't too big of an. We don't usually do this big of an area. We usually focus on a smaller spot, but we went for a whole area. Hey, relax. Lift your hand. Yeah. I mean, yeah. But the middle part where, so Kelly, you can do a picture here on this side of where we're at. You know, you saw before.
Mm-hmm.
Picture, and then the other side where Phil's at.
That takes the picture, right?
Yeah. I don't know if it's taken, but.
It's supposed to. I'll check it.
Okay. But you can see now where we're at on the, how it looks. Get it if you get in the light and really look.
I was trying to.
How much nicer it is at this point. You still have some hazy, scratchy area over here, but the middle where it was all scratched up is pretty much gone. There are those lines from the 3000 grit still, but they're so light that you don't want to go too far. I think that nobody in there, unless we were doing full paint correction on a car, which that's not what we're doing, we wouldn't worry about that. That looks really good. Nobody's gonna see that. Same with over here. Looks really good. Yeah, it's just practice. I think safer is better. And we stayed safe on this. We didn't burn it. We didn't go too far like we did on the door. I did on the door. So